Today's going to be a reality check for you. Why are you making videos? Did you set up your camera and you decided, well, I hear that YouTuber makes a load of money and I just wanted a slice of it? Did you think, wow, look at that person, he got famous. I just want to be famous. Or did you set up the camera knowing that if I was to put in 2-3 years of this could funnel leads to my business. This could start building my career and my reputation. This could build my portfolio. This could slowly open doors in the long run. There's nothing wrong with your why being money. There's nothing wrong with your why being fame. What you need to know is that is your why, and you need to drill it into your head and that to be your guiding light. Because for me, my why was that in 3 to 5 years I wanted to build a business foundation that could carry me as a brand, that could help juggle my web development, my consulting, my YouTube knowledge, maybe a blog, and some kind of business that I could overarch, maybe sell consulting services, maybe sell digital products. My why was that I needed to build my brand up enough for an audience to find me, for me to then help them in other areas. And I'll be honest, within those 3 years, I've gone from literally minus £300 to my name to doing fairly well, because I had my focus on the why and delivering that value going forward. So what is your why? At this point, maybe even tell me and other people what your why is and explain it to me. Outside just one single word, what is your why? Second, why would people subscribe to you? Why you compared to anybody else? Why me, Alan Spicer, compared to Nick Nimmin, Roberto Blake, Tim Schmoyer, Daryl Eves, the vidIQ channel? I think me because I'm entertaining. I explain things slightly differently. I cut the crap and I directly talk to you because I'm a creator that's grown this channel from day one, 2.5-3 years ago. You saw me open the channel, teach you every step of the things that I was implementing with a quirky British accent and a sense of humour. I bring my personality and my experience. I've been a web developer for 11 years. I have been on YouTube in one way or another for nearly 8 years. I've been consulting for 4 years based on this platform, and I've grown this channel to nearly 20,000 subscribers in around about 2.5-3 years. That's my why. Why subscribe to me compared to everybody else? Because you've seen me do it in front of your eyes. I've done that struggle and I've grown this channel in the last 2 or 3 years. I didn't start this educational channel 5, 10, 20 years ago. 20 years ago? YouTube weren't around 20 years ago. But I didn't start this channel 10 years ago and slowly grow over time. I haven't sat there with one video and done fantastically well and just lived off the fat of the land. Every YouTube channel that's out there that grows past 10,000 subscribers, or any channel that grows past 1,000 subscribers, has a distinctive why. Whether it's a personality, a quirk, a sense of humour, the way they edit those videos, or the way they deliver their value to camera. Hopefully my value is what helps you click subscribe on these videos. So once again, why don't you tell me your why? For me, I'm a YouTube certified expert, but why should people subscribe to you? What is the thing that they are subscribing for you over any other daily vlogger? Why subscribe to you over any other gamer? What makes you unique? Why you? Why a certain style? Why are you in a certain niche? Why did you go with gaming? Was it because it's kind of trendy and that's what they did at school? Would you have been better with sketch comedy? Why are you doing fashion and beauty? Is that because, well, that's what all the girls do? Could you have been better with storytelling? Could you have been better at video editing? Could you have been better at a different niche? Your why needs to be so ingrained in your head that you'll just plow through regardless, or you have some advantage to it. Maybe you really love dancing so much, but you may not be fantastic at it. That's fine. You can teach us how you learnt. I started this YouTube channel as I learnt how to use YouTube. I started this channel as I learnt how to educate people and how to use things. So as I learnt things, I taught you that thing. So you need to understand why you. Why are you on this platform? Why should I subscribe to you? Why are you making the videos that you do in that specific niche? Because why is important, and why is why you're watching me today. Now, if you want to know why you can make this into a business, I've done a video here. If you want to know why you should make these videos, you can click that video there. Hit subscribe for regular random rants and YouTube tutorials, and I'll see you soon.